I'm sharing all of the contents of the new Stella Dot Style Kit. Take a look. Everyone, it's Christina, your Stella Dot stylist, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you today the contents of our brand new style kit. Now, when you hear style kit, you hear style. And so yes, there are styles that you are going to be able to choose. But I want to tell you the 411 on how this works, show you what comes before the cute style, as well as tell you some of the things that you might not actually see yet in the kit, but that you will absolutely get when you enroll with Stella Dot. First off, the style kit is $149. Now, what comes in it is a customizable, curated selection of pieces that can give you a complete look that you can then go out instantly to wear and share with those that you know. When you enroll as a Stella Dot stylist, Stella Dot gets you plugged into the community of amazing women that make up this tribe that are here to empower you and uplift you. You also unlock an earning opportunity where you can earn from 20 to 35% on everything that you sell. You also get a toolkit of digital assets that will allow you to have your own instant website, a proprietary app that will allow you to wear and share carts and do all these amazing things on the go from the palm of your hand. And you also will help support another woman through our national partnership with Dress for Success. Every time a new stylist enrolls in Stella Dot, that triggers a $50 donation to Dress for Success, in which we then are helping not just you fill your dreams and fund your passions and do what you would like with this platform, but we also help other women be able to move forward on the path to fulfilling their own dreams by putting that little finishing touch on them with some great Stella Dot product. So, what comes in this kit? Well, first of all, I'm gonna show you, you get this really great box. How cute, it's branded Stella Dot. You're gonna get this, you open it up, and of course it's nice to meet you. Then you are also going to get 6 essential pieces of your choosing. I'm wearing some of them right now. I will share with you all of the pieces you can choose from momentarily. But within this kit, you also will get a pack of our gorgeous branded lookbooks so that you have something that you can share in person on the go. If you do an in-person styling, if you do personal styling with groups of people, you get this pack of lookbooks to get you going. You also get the Stella Dot brand book, and this is just a work of art. This is worthy of coffee table status. It actually tells the story of stylists in our community. It shares, it's just, I mean, just the photography is incredibly gorgeous here. It just talks about the product a little bit, how we approach the brand of Stella Dot, and it profiles stylists who have gone on to make a huge difference in their lives with this platform. This is just an incredible asset for you to have, just for you to flip through as well and be proud of the brand that you will represent when you join Stella Dot. Then you get, oh, let's see. Oh, a look good, feel great poster. Mine's a little bent. You get something to share our luxury brand as part of Stella Dot, our Covet line. In case you need to go old school and move off of our proprietary app that allows you to take orders, you can use paper orders. You know, sometimes Wi-Fi doesn't work in some places. A cute little bag, great for little gifting. Little sign to put up for in-person stylings you may do. Or everything brochure that has everything you need to know about Stella Dot, easy to put your name on and share with others. You get all you need in your Stylist Success Guide to be able to launch your business strong, and you get this super cute folder that you can put all your stuff in. So that's all the paper stuff, but I bet you want to see all the jewelry and all of the apparel and all of that good stuff that comes for that $149 in this style kit. So when you enroll, you will be able to curate your own selection of pieces that will give you one complete look. And you will have the option to add on extra pieces. So right now I am actually wearing our double V sweater. This comes in this chambray color. You can choose between, you can pick a top. So basically you're gonna pick this first top. You can do this. You could also choose our zip up sweatshirt. This comes in multiple colorways. This is our latest color in the leopard. You could also select the Crush It Pullover. This also comes in another colorway, but you have the choice. You can pick one of 3 tops to add to your style kit. Then you can choose one delicate necklace. So right now I am wearing the XOXO necklace. You could also select the Love necklace right here at the script necklace, or you could choose the Julia coin pendant. Now all of these, I can attest, these are best sellers, so you are perfectly equipped to be able to start wearing and sharing with all of the pieces that people are already loving. Then you choose an everyday statement earring. So we're on number 3. So I am actually wearing our hammered heart hoops, which are just darling and they are so fun. You could choose our new essential gold hoops in your box. You could also choose the Pegasus earrings. Then you go to delicate earrings and you have the option to choose these little, I don't know, you can see these real well. The arrow earring. We have our new Huggies that come in silver and in gold. And you could also choose from a pair of our ear climbers. Then you move to a bracelet. I am wearing our Rhett bracelet right now. I love this. It has a pulley closure and it's gold and silver. This is actually an everyday piece I wear. And then you could choose from this bracelet, a nice stretchy bracelet. And then we also have this one that is has gray sparkle and it has the rose gold bar on it. Then you get a clutch. So this is one of our most versatile pieces. This comes in this colorway. It also comes in black. So you choose one or the other. And this piece is a workhorse. You can actually take off the strap. You can use it as just a clutch. You can use it as a crossbody. There are also D-rings up here at the top, so you can wear it larger. You can wear it with the woven side out, with the shiny side out. Great functionality. Of course, the signature lining that we have in all of our bags. So you get to choose from a clutch in your choice of this colorway or in black. At the time of enrollment, you have a one-time opportunity to add style sets onto your essentials kit. So you pick one from each category, a top, an earring, a statement earring, a delicate necklace, a bracelet. Then you get to add on a style set if you would like. So you could go with French Girl Chic, which includes our new Oh Yeah earrings. How fun are those? Roar necklace. We have this piece, and then you could also add on our new Bellamy clutch in this animal dot print. So this would be the French Girl Chic. This style set you add on for $99, but it is highly discounted and it only happens at your time of first enrollment. You could also choose to go the outfit makers route, and you could choose the crystal waterfall earrings. Add those in. You could do the Jacinthe bracelet with it, and you also would get the Merci necklace. If you want to go with the more modern classics look, you would get the Wee necklace in gold, the little scripty necklace. Oops, let's see if you can see that. The Wee necklace, circle pendant necklace, which is just a really beautiful delicate statement on its own. Renegade necklace, and this is a new addition to the Renegade family that people have known and loved with Stella and Dot for many years. It's a mini statement necklace. And then you would get the wave hoops in that, and those wave hoops are gold on one side and silver on the other, and so you can wear them with the gold facing out, the silver facing out. They're a great essential piece. Then you could add on the ear party if you would like. The ear party includes 4 earrings. It comes with, you could choose the heart earrings, these dainty sweet studs. You also would be able to choose, let's see, how can we see those? These little studs right here. You also would get our best-selling Alexandria chandeliers in this beautiful blush color, and you would get the everything hoops, new to our collection this season. These are somewhat magical and they look silver and gold. I don't know how that happens, but they do depending on what color you're wearing them with. So we have the ear party set. You could also add on Girl on the Go. Girl on the Go is our signature poof. I love these for travel. I love these for makeup, for lip glosses, for, you know, you name it. Signature poof in the black and white stripe, and then you could add the Lady Boss bag onto this, and this is our new signature bag for our fall collection. It has the interior, which is this beautiful leopard print. It comes with a laptop case inside. It is this really wipeable, luxurious exterior. The pockets can fit a phone. You have exterior functionality, which is incredible. So if any of these things are on your list as you enroll as a Stella Dot stylist, you may consider adding these onto it. But guess what? If you don't, you are still very well equipped to have a full look from head to toe of Stella Dot, or maybe head to waist, I should say, of Stella Dot pieces that will put you in business instantly. Now, the other thing that is so amazing with Stella Dot is that you are rewarded when you work. And so not only do you earn that 20 to 35% commission on what you sell, but you also will be earning tons of free product in your first 60 days. So Stella Dot will throw product at you when you are out there wearing and sharing the style relentlessly and just going out there and being excited and showing off all the things that you have to love about your new affiliation with Stella Dot. So if you have any questions about the style kit, about enrolling in Stella Dot, about what this could look like for you, I would be happy to sit down and talk with you, whether it's in real life or whether it is over the phone or a FaceTime or however you would like to do it, to assess how this can fit for you. This is a remarkable platform. Everyone is out there sharing and wearing the things that they love. And if you love Stella Dot, this could make a whole lot of sense for you. So I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing of all of these incredible pieces that you would be able to pick up as you enroll as a Stella Dot stylist. And I look forward to catching you next time. All the information to get information is below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.